I'm at the Plantation Beach Club condos on South Seas Island Resort in Captiva Island, Florida. This is over where my condo is. And here's the elevator here. But guess what? It's not working. It might be broken. I don't know why it's broken. It was literally working fine yesterday and the day before. Maybe someone got stuck in it. Who knows? Can't even hear it. Yeah, let's walk up to the first floor. So I got a regular daytime and nighttime take of the elevator. Now you guys are getting another video of it where it's not working at all. And the machine room's up here too. There's just a cart sitting here, so it probably broke when someone had a cart. See, the machine room's not open. It's broken. Can't hear anything from the machine room. This must be the panel for the elevator, so maybe they turned off. I don't know if that's got power supply, but all I know is the elevator's not working, so that's a problem. And anyone that wants to move their luggage is gonna have to do it by stairs, and that can be a pain sometimes. This is the second floor now. Yeah, this thing is down. I wonder what happened to it. Well, guess that'll be it for now then.